Alright, so we're going to take one of these small diamond wheels and get in here and try to free up at least these plates. And we have a bit of a crack line across there now. Still don't know. Let's take a look at the other side. This one's not nearly as molten as the other. Maybe we can get in there and do some good work. Well, we got some movement between the top and the bottom now. Maybe I can get this one to break off. Like a natural break across those score lines. Seems like it's breaking on the softer base plate though. Yeah, it's just breaking off on the softer base. That's okay. We'll be able to reposition these at least, which is exactly what we wanted. Then we came off on the score line, which is exactly what I was hoping for. This one we're not going to be so lucky with. It's still bound by a lot of the wire. Oh, I think we got really lucky. None of the wire came off. Now this one on the other side. Yeah, that's really nice. It's not perfect. It'll be hell to pay getting it out, but it's all right. Got it. Freed up that wire right there. Those are okay. Nothing misaligned there. These wires are okay. This one, there's nothing I can really do about that back there, I don't think. But this is very nice. Normally you would pull the coil out and then you can slide these out. I don't have that luxury. Okay, now I'm going to get inside here and see if I can't remove a little bit more of the material back behind there. This one's flat against the back side. This one's got, well, it's got more of that I probably should try to get off of there. May need to grind some more up in there. So it definitely, well, this one, yeah, I need to free that wire up. Let's get this out a little bit and turn it and see if we can't get it to where we can work on it. Right inside there on that. See if we can't crack that out. Not like that. Well, that's a bad day. That's a real bad day. So we have broken the wire off that loop back there. Okay. I went ahead and I cut this whole 1 ounce. You can see where everything melted together. And this is where the wire just kept breaking. We're going to carry on with getting this working with just the one element, see how well that does or how well that doesn't do. Let's go ahead and cut that back so I can slide this piece further back in there. I'll lift this out and pull it just a little bit. I can get in there and clean that area out so that this pushes in just a little bit further so I can rebuild these front edges. Okay, now we've gained quite a bit, which is good. Now for the front, we don't need to take off much. There we go. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better out. When the door comes back around from the front side, there's a piece here. This piece right here is going to be low. And it just won't get as hot as quickly. But it should still do quite well, I believe. So we've got the fire brick in to replace the coil holder on the Vulcan. And I had to make a new fence for it back here to allow the block to scoot back a little bit more. And I'm just going to mark this a couple places, make sure I'm making the right cut. Alright, we'll see how this goes. That's a good one. These two should become the new floor.